So I'm running into an issue this morning on my garage door opener. It looks like the chain has got too much slack in it. So I figured I would go ahead and get this thing on record, so just in case somebody doesn't know how to do it, I can show it to you. So let's take a look. We have our chain here. There's a lot of slack in that. I would take up maybe about half of that. I think it would be okay. And you can see we have our adjustment right over here. It's just two nuts and you loosen them up to tighten it. I would tighten up this one and loosen this one to loosen it. Of course, I would do the reverse. And let's see if this is easy, as I say that it is. So we're going to want to tighten this up. So I'm going to loosen this here. And that way I can tighten this one up. Let's take a look. Guess we've got some tension on it. We're going to have to tighten it up, but also get this. I'll put this on here, and that way it won't twist on me too much as I'm tightening it. You can't have that twist or it won't go into the sprocket right. Of course, to tighten it's to the right. Right, let's see, how is that? Is that pretty good? Yeah, you got to have like about, I think I read about a half an inch. You've got about a half an inch play. Let's see, does it go up about a half an inch? Yeah, just about. I think I like that. I can always adjust it more later if I want. But I think that'll do it. Now I'm going to tighten up this back one. And that should do it. So there you have it. So we have our little adjustment. Right, when you want to tighten it, you loosen up the inside nut and then tighten that one here. If you wanted to loosen it, if I found that it was too tight, I would, of course, loosen this one and tighten that one. Thanks, guys. Catch you on the next one.